The Agitator Assembly consists of the wooden roller with the brushes attached and the end bearings. After years of use, the brushes on the roller can wear out. The bearings can also wear out and fail. Replacing the Agitator Assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the bottom cover from around the agitator. Now I can remove the agitator from the vacuum. Now I can install the new agitator. You'll notice that one side has a groove milled in it for the belt. I'll place the belt over the roller and onto that groove, and now I'll pull the agitator up so I can insert the bearings into the housing. Make sure you get the bearings aligned with the housing. And now we can reinstall the cover. I'll align the bottom cover with the vacuum. And secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new agitator assembly in your vacuum. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.